Hi guys, it's your girl Rachel Weed Beauty back with another video. Today I'm going to show you guys how I created these beautiful faux locks, the products I use, as well as the technique. So let's jump right into it. As you guys know, I've been growing out my hair in locks. So this was fairly easy because I already had a great foundation to start with. And I'm using the Cuban twist hair as well as the Aunt Jackie's flaxseed gel. I typically take a soft brush and just brush my parts just to make them smooth and even, which adheres to a better application. Using a little bit of the Aunt Jackie's flaxseed gel, I apply that to the roots, and then I go straight in with the Cuban twist hair and just gently wrap around it. You don't want to wrap too tight because as you're wrapping, the hair can twist, which creates a tighter foundation at the root, but you want your roots to be pretty relaxed. But honey, this is like the easiest style, so cost effective, and the outcome, I mean, come on, it's just giving like Little Mermaid, beautiful faux locks. I mean, give it about a week or so, like people are gonna think you grew these, okay? They're gonna think you've been a lockhead for years. Now the ends were a little kinky from just the application part, so I took a little bit of mousse and decided to get some barrettes, section it off. And what I really wanted to go for was like that wavy boho vibe. So I decided to add a little mousse and braid each section up, okay? We braided these sections down real quick. And then we took a little hot water, dipped each one in, let it set overnight, and baby, it was giving, okay? Come in, check it out because we have some boho locks, yes. They're so lightweight and the hair just looks so natural. It really imitates my natural texture, which I truly love. If you love this look, please subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and make sure you share. Stay tuned for more.